Hello everyone. Dear students, today we will start hematology. That is the topic of class 10th and class 11th included into human physiology. So let us we will start hematology. In class 10th, it is included into transportation in the chapter life process, and in class 11th, it is included into cardiovascular system of human physiology. Dear students, hematology is the blood, study of blood, its property, disorder in the blood. What is blood? First, we will start. What is the blood? Blood is the fluid connective tissue that is made up of plasma and corpuscles. Blood is the fluid connective tissue that is made up of plasma and corpuscles. If anyone told to you what is blood, then what will your answer? Blood is the fluid connective tissue that is made up of plasma and corpuscles. You can easily say that blood is equal to plasma plus corpuscles. Plasma plus corpuscles. Plasma plus corpuscles. In the blood, percentage of plasma is 55%. In the blood, percentage of plasma is 55% and percentage of corpuscles is 45%. 45% corpuscles and 55% plasma is present in the blood samples. In the human body, near about 5 to 6 liters blood is present. In the human body, average amount of blood is 5 to 6 liters in the male and 4 to 5 liter in women. Let us we will start plasma. %90 water, 7 to 8% proteins, and the rest 3% includes nutritional materials such as amino acids, fats, glycerides, hormones, vitamins, uric acid, etc. In plasma, we see the composition of plasma. Plasma contains percentage of water in the plasma is 90%. Percentage of water in the plasma is 90%. 90% water is present in the plasma. And the protein is near about 7% protein is present. Protein is mainly 4 types. Protein is mainly 4 types. Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen and prothrombin. Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen and prothrombin. These are 4 type of plasma proteins. They serves major functions. Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen and prothrombin. Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen and prothrombin. These are type of plasma proteins that are present in the plasma. Their major functions is they perform their important functions. We will know that important functions of plasma protein. Functions of plasma protein is formation of maintain the osmotic pressure of blood. Major functions of albumin protein is to maintain the osmotic pressure of blood. What is the major functions of plasma protein? First important protein is albumin. And the major functions of albumin to maintain the osmotic pressure. Maintain the osmotic pressure. Next important protein is globulin. Next important protein is globulin. Globulin is the major proteins that is formed in the yellow bone marrow. Globulin is the major proteins that is formed in the bone marrow and they make the strong immunity systems. Globulin makes a strong immunity system. They are helpful. Important types of globulin is immunoglobulin. Important type of globulin is immunoglobulin that maintains the immunity systems of animals' body. Mainly, they make antibody. So globulin makes antibody. found in the bone marrow? That is globulin. These are important competitive questions. Next important protein is fibrinogen and prothrombin. Next important two protein is fibrinogen, and prothrombin. Fibrinogen and prothrombin, they are helpful in clotting of blood. They are helpful in clotting of blood. They are in clotting of blood. These are major functions of plasma proteins. Plasma proteins, let us we will revise. Plasma proteins are four major types: albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, and prothrombin. In these, three are formed from the hepatocytes cells. Important point is that three are formed from the hepatocytes cells, and one, that is globulin. These are formed in the bone marrow, yellow bone marrow. Next, next students, we will discuss the formed element. Formed element, that is corpuscles. Formed elements are corpuscles. These corpuscles are mainly three types. Corpuscles are mainly three types. One is RBC. RBC. RBC is known as erythrocytes. RBC are also known as erythrocytes. Red blood corpuscles, RBC, are also known as erythrocytes. Major pigment is present in the RBC is hemoglobin. Due to presentancy of hemoglobin, RBC, these are red in color. And major functions of RBC is to transport the oxygen, transport of carbon dioxide, transport of food material from one place to another place, transport of hormones, transport of vitamins. They are major functions of RBC. RBC, it is also known as erythrocytes. RBC is known as erythrocytes. Clear? Erythros means red. Erythros means red. Erythros means red. RBC is known as erythrocytes. Major pigment that are present in the RBC is SB, hemoglobin. Their number of RBC is differ in persons. In male, RBC is near about 5.5 million, 5 million per microliter. Per microliter. 5.5 million per microliter. But in case of female, it is near about 4.8 million. It is near about 4.8 million per microliter. Their number is reduced, number is less in females than in males. Reason is menstrual cycle. Some bleedings occur in menstrual cycle. So the number of RBC hemoglobins is less in comparison to male. Students, RBC is measured by, next important point in relation to RBC, RBC is measured by hemocytometer. Next important point is RBC is measured, RBC is measured by hemocytometer. RBC is measured by hemocytometer. This is the next important point relating to NEET examinations. RBC is measured by hemocytometer. Shape of RBC is biconcave, and storing collection of RBC from 1 is to above. Collection of RBC is known as Rowlex. Next important point relating to NEET examinations. Of RBC in the blood, percentage of RBC in the blood is known as hematocrit value. Percentage of RBC is hematocrit value, or PVC, packed cell value. Hematocrit value. Percentage of RBC in the blood is known as hematocrit value, or PCV, packed cell volume. Let us, dear students, we will know the major functions of RBC. Major function of RBCs. What is the major function of RBC? Before starting the functions, we will know two important points. That is, RBC are non-nucleated. RBC are non-nucleated. Clear? Only two groups of animals are found on the earth. They have nucleus in their RBC: camel and llama. Camel and llama, these are important point in relation to RBC, that camels and llamas blood RBC possess nucleus, and all animals that are present on the earth, they have no nucleus in their RBC. Let us start functions of RBC. What is the functions of RBC? Functions, I already told to you functions of RBC. RBC are helpful. A major important phenomena is exchanging of gases from one place to another place in your body. Exchanging of gases, exchanging of food material, exchanging transportation of food material, transportation of vitamins, hormones from one place to another place in your body is the major function of RBC. First important, exchange of gases. Exchange of gases, first important functions of RBC. Next important point, transportation of food material. Transportation of food, vitamins, transportation of food, vitamins, hormones, provide red color. It provide red color to blood due to presentancy of hemoglobin. So, thank you.